For those of you who want to listen to the Celto Acoustique's CT15, we will be demoing the Celto Acoustique's CT15. Ladies and gents, you are welcome to walk closer to the speaker.
You were just another sideshow in a backstreet carnival. I was walking the high wire, trying not to fall. Just another way of getting through, anyone would do, but it was you. And you were just another sideshow, and I was trying not to fall. But you were tender, as soft as summer wind. Someone to remember when the cold closes in. You were a color to the moon, you were flowers come to bloom with a sweet perfume, and you were tender as soft summer wind.
Take it easy today, but you're the one I miss, and I keep on working. I can see that the trees are calling back the leaves. Sunday was a shattering day, but I keep on working.
That was the CT15 full range. The next speakers we will be listening to is the CT12s with the CW118s. Those are the single 12s with the single 18s. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to step closer.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is green. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA, California, dreaming on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church, I passed along the way, got down on my knees, and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes the gold, he knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Ett gäng där man inte kunde dra sig ur. Jag var 15 men kände mig som 27. Och jag skäms för jag minns att vi var som djur. En runt i Ronneby med Mattis Barretta att rapsade. Mellan dig och var jag på plats. Men spöade dig för du var svart. Inne på Viktor stod jag flaskan i baren och bara flyttade från Ronneby redan följande natt. Inga pajaser för fick de tag på mig så var jag flyttade 3 mil till Karlskrona. Inte så långt men under alldeles beskydd så var jag skonad. Deggar jag Vegas, 1500 på ett klick. Gick till den lokala musikaffären och köpte mycket. Hade ingenting till att tjäna lika mycket som din månadslön på ett DJ-gig.
Alla vill ha cash och nu har vad de in. Alla vill ha cash och nu har vad de in. Alla vill ha cash och nu har vad de in. Har jag för lite i min bag, då går jag på din.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was the CT12s with the CSW 118 single 18 baseband. The next sound system you'll be listening to is the CT12s with the CSW 218s. You are welcome to step closer and check the speaker out. Thanks, Paul.
Thanks to you, I've got a reason to get out of bed, make a move or two. And thanks to you, there's a net below, 'cause otherwise, well, I don't know. And thanks to you, there are promises of laughs and loves and labyrinths, and reason to suspect that I'm meant for this. A smile, a song, a tender kiss. Thanks to you. Thanks to you, there's a thing I think I know, I really mean, of variations on that theme. Thanks to you, I have time to turn, time to cool and time to burn. And thanks to you, there's something certainly too good to miss. In other words, a way through this. And just when one might feel so perfectly alone, there's someone else's stuff to trip on besides one's own. Thanks to you. One can only guess what happens next. As it is, I bark and stumble through a world gone quite absurd, dodging shadows, lurching through the rain. I'm not complaining, but I'm caught. With or without you, I'd have to get through this anyway.
You waste your time with hate and regret. you're broken, when your heart's not on. Now there's no point in placing the blame, and you should know I suffer the same. If I lose you, my heart will be broken. Love is a bird, she needs to fly. Let all the hurt inside of you die. You're frozen when your heart's not open.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the CT12s with the dual 18 basebands. The next sound system we'll be demoing is the CMP10s with the CSW218s. That is the CMP10s with the CSW218s. Thanks, Paul.
This is a right-away letter. I gotta mail it today. Straight to my main inspirer. Says urgent from the USA. It's got this heart inside it. The postage is my soul. Contains a message from millions. Say, keep, don't go. $10,000 guitars waiting, but it ain't quite the same. You got a knack for sailing, and it's stamped with your own brand name. We's all sailors, as captain you must know. You bring a message to millions. Say, keep, don't go. I said, keep, don't go. Oh, don't take my fun. Keep, don't go. Keep, don't go, nah, nah.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
tomorrow.